Hello guys and welcome to another amazing piece of furniture installation. I'm a Cameroonian manufacturer. My name is Leonie and we make all types of furniture. We are today at the pharmacy we are installing, and this pharmacy has been 100%, guys, I repeat it, 100% designed and manufactured by us, Maison Modern, right here in Douala, Cameroon. So guys, first up, you would see that we have here a beautiful counter. Now this is where customers are going to stand to get their medication. We've got beautiful 8mm glass right here separating the customer from the person serving from within. And we have another beautifully put glass, 8mm glass here, and some nice pebbles installed in there. Guys, what is still ongoing, we have used here 100% marble. Look at this. This is 100% marble dug up in the ground and polished to give you this look and feel. Guys, we do not use anything that has been mixed with cement, with wood. No, this is 100% marble. Come with me. Now, guys, here we have the shelves. We've got plenty of counters all the way here and to the back, and in the middle we have two huge standing shelves that are also done in white and lemon green, because this customer, the color theme is white and lemon green. And guess what? This is going to be carrying all the medication, and it so looks like it's floating actually. Guys, there is no painting whatsoever used on this piece. It's 100% formica. You come with me, guys, I'll show you behind the scene right here. You'll see also, guys, we have here some locks put in place and key for the people serving here, and my locks and key, people serving here. We have this big shelving. Check this out, guys. Nice and huge, and it's very slanty. So when they put medication or anything that people will generally just buy in the pharmacy, they can easily see it because it's slanted like that. So this baby is going to be put right here, so anybody coming from there can see the things that go up really quickly. Come with me, guys. On this side we have another shelving, everywhere shelving, everywhere shelving, and we have done this in record time. We are a Cameroonian manufacturing company. We make all types of furniture, guys. Whatever furniture you want installed for you, sofas, dining table, school fitting, office furniture, medical furniture, whatever furniture you want, guys, in Cameroon, contact us on the number at the end of this video and we will have it done. My name is Leonie. Peace and ciao.